In this module, we were going to discuss connecting emotionally with your instrument. Now, this doesn't mean giving it a hug and sleeping with it. Well, of course you can if you want to, but what it really means is expressing yourself, the emotion that you have inside your soul is really what you want to express through your horn. Different ways you can convey this emotion when you're playing is I tend to move when I play. If I get loud or soft, I'll be jumping around. If I get loud and jazzed up into it, if it's soft, I'm quietly moving. But you also have phrases and can kind of talk through your horn. You want to really think about playing through your mouthpiece like you're storytelling, like you're talking and telling a story. So if I were to tell you a story, I'd and so you can see as I was playing there, I was putting different phrases together and telling a story with my music, using different keystrokes, different intervals, and different creative patterns while improvising. So I encourage you to experiment with that. As you play around, play one or two or three different notes and pretend like you're talking. Try to have a conversation with someone, and maybe even have another conversation with another saxophone player, and have them talk through their saxophone and you talk through yours, and have a call and response talking. And that is how you connect emotionally with your instrument.